welcome to PDQ Live. Today we have a special show. It's a little bit of a choose your own adventure, right? There's some audience participation today, but before we get to that, Kelly has an announcement for us.
Yes, I do. We have a very interesting webinar coming up on April 29th. It's Stronger Together. And what that means is we're going to show you how you can use Deploy, Inventory, Connect, Smart Deploy, and Detect to work better together, using all of them in tandem to just be your ultimate toolkit, okay? So I'm putting in the YouTube chat right now the registration link. So just click that, register, and then we'll see you on the 29th for Stronger Together.
Cool. All right, so this show, we came up with an idea this last couple weeks, and it's pretty loosely based around, anyone ever had the thought of, I want to go work for a startup, I want to start my own thing, I wonder what it would be like to just be able to completely start over.
Yeah.
Right? Most IT jobs, you inherit something, somebody else's mess, somebody else's problems. And sometimes you just want to start over.
Yeah. Or you buy a new company. You've done this. You have an acquisition. What do you do? Could you do it?
Could you start over?
What mistakes are you going to make along the way? And also, I think I brought this up with you. We've seen a lot of new people in Discord. So we thought we would start over and brush up on some skills or teach some people some new things.
Well, yeah, because some people can go their entire career and not have to do this. Because you're moving from established business to established business and you're not starting from ground zero.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend like we're a brand new business and we're going to register a domain, an external domain, and we're going to try and get email set up today with an email provider.
But first, two things. Who is the Office Mill Check? Because I need to know this real quick.
I still haven't seen enough to know.
Oh, okay.
Of the show.
Kelly, who's the Office Mill Check?
Boy, I'd need to give that one some thought.
Oh, yeah. We need to talk about that, though.
Yeah.
Because Skylar? Oh, okay.
Wow.
I just said might be. I just said it might be.
Well, that was quick. Okay, I'm just saying. Ooh, Mike already says go with Novell. Okay, but so, as you said, though, we do want
input. We need a name.
We want to hear.
We need to go buy a domain name.
Oh, yeah.
We want to go buy a domain name live.
Yes.
So we need some ideas.
That's right.
So right now, in the chat, post some ideas. What should we go buy? Should we go buy TaraThinksShe'sFunny.net? What should we go buy? And what should we have be our...
Yeah, and we're going to... This is not just going to be one segment. We're going to keep building on this. And we actually expect and intend to make mistakes. We purposely did not plan this. We want to make mistakes along the way because neither of us have done this for a while. I did it, 2.5 years ago when we did the Smart Deploy tenant. We want to make mistakes, and we want you guys to make fun of us along the way and make mistakes with us.
And tell us what we're going to build.
Yes.
You come up with the business requirements as we do this. So we know, so we're going to start a little bit. We know we need a domain name. We're going to be a Microsoft shop for now, but maybe next week you're like, do you know what? Don't be Microsoft 365. Actually move to Google Workspace.
Yeah, maybe
we'll do that.
Maybe we'll do both.
And then maybe you'll say, oh, you need an Active Directory domain controller? And we go, oh, okay.
Yeah, we could be hybrid.
Yeah.
We haven't decided. We're going to listen to you guys. We like Snark. I like Snark Nerdblaw already. That one's good. I like Lon Ruba.
These are great. PDQ, Ultron, Kobe, Beef Shoes.
Keep going.
Yeah.
That one's good.
That's what we're going to do.
Tony Uber rides.
So while you're doing that, and we're going to throw up a poll. And so a poll's going to come up. I think Kelly and Drew are going to pick some of their favorite ones that come up in here. But as you do it, Andrew has something really cool to show us in PowerShell, right?
Don't park in my spot.
Exactly. It certainly is in PowerShell. We have a lot of PowerShell stuff going on. We got PowerShell Wednesdays every single Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern, which has been really fun. As we said earlier, Fortress will be joining us next week to show us how to create a blog using GitHub Pages, both free. But I want to tell you about a little podcast coming out Monday with Don Jones and Jeffrey Snover. Monday, it's coming out 1 hour in person. These are some of the godfathers of PowerShell who have done a whole bunch of their careers with PowerShell and even outside of it. So a lot of great stuff there. But first, today, we're going to learn about creating modern GUIs in PowerShell using a tool called WinUIShell. It's a really cool new project that allows you to create beautiful looking GUIs, as you'll see here in a second, really quick. So let's check it out.
PowerShell Pro Tips.
Alrighty, so we have a video, right?
Yep.
Let's create some WinUI 3 GUIs in PowerShell without needing to know a whole bunch of that developer nonsense. All right, we want to keep it simple. And the way we do that is by using WinUIShell. You can create beautiful GUIs to wrap your PowerShell in, all from PowerShell. So a couple of prerequisites real quick. You need to install the module. You need to get a couple things, app runtime. You need to be on modern Windows 10 and PowerShell 7.4 or newer. But once you have all that done, you are able to do things like this. Oh my gosh, the sign-in form. Would you look at that? Fancy. Let's try. Check this out. Okay, as we watch this go, what I want you to think about is the fact that whenever I click this button, which I'm about to click this button, but once I click this button, it executes PowerShell. Okay, from there you can do anything. You can call APIs, you can use other modules, whatever you need to do. Okay, you're going to see there's some fancy progress bar. I personally think this looks awesome. You can set it red, you can restore. There's a lot of options that you have. I can't cover all the elements that exist, but this is modern Windows design, right? Made approachable in PowerShell. Now, there's also another feature of this which is really cool. If you've designed GUIs before, you know that it can kind of be a little challenging at times, right? Because there's this whole aspect of needing to be multi-threaded. Whenever you click on something in a GUI, the whole thing freezes up unless you account for using run spaces and things like that. Don't worry about that. Those are big words. You don't need to worry about that with this project because it uses a client-server model. It's pretty fancy. It's a little slightly over my head, I'd say. But let's see what we have here. I don't think we activated it. Let's activate the window. All right, so we have from PowerShell, as you can see, I can still type here. And this is live. Okay? So I want to show you that we can actually access the button variable and we can update things on it, such as the content. Click me, no. All right, from PowerShell. Super simple example. I just want the gears to start turning for you because this is absolutely huge. There's a lot of discoverability. A lot of times when you're trying to design a GUI, you'll have the idea of it, but you need to tweak things. And this allows you to tweak things interactively and see it as you go. Really fancy stuff. I highly recommend you check it out. I'll show a couple other examples here. Close out of that. Boom. Simple example right here where the title bar is a little bit customized. And as we go along, I'll actually show you. You can open these up. So the install dialog one that we looked at earlier, we'll pull that up one more time. That's the code you need to do it. So whenever I click that button, what you need to look for is this thing called add click. That is the event where all the magic is done. Okay. Button, we have a button element. You can copy and paste everything else. But this add click thing is where you can put whatever you want, anything that your heart can desire. All right. You can execute all kinds of PowerShell stuff from here. You can just kind of copy and paste a lot of code and you're able to get something that looks really nice. And it's way better than the other GUI options that are currently out there that I've seen. So hopefully this got your gears turning and inspires you to create something with PowerShell. And if you do, I'd love to hear about it on the PDQ Discord, discord.gg/PDQ. Check out the PowerShell scripting channel, PowerShell Wednesdays, PowerShell Podcast Mondays. We got it all.
So you're telling me that I don't have to use like VBScript and WinForms anymore for a GUI?
You don't. And the really biggest thing though is the multi-threading thing. So you can create a simple GUI that looks a little bit ugly to click a button. The issue is once you click that button, the whole thing freezes up. You can't do everything. Yep. So yeah, there's better options out there these days.
That's pretty cool. I wish I would have known that I could have done that earlier. I've done some horrible things in VB and WinForms.
Yep, it's a rite of passage to go through that.
Oh, it's awful. Alrighty. It looks like we've got some
hilarious names.
There's some really good names.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so funny.
Right?
I loved all of them.
So maybe let's see. Pretty damn quick. I have a feeling that is we might have to have a weird TLD.
Well, and it is tied right now.
Is it
Pretty
tied?
damn quick with Snarker Blah.
Snark
Nerd Blah.
Nerd Blah.
Excuse me.
Snark Nerd Blah. Oh, and look, it's tight again.
Oh.
All right.
Okay.
We just got to end one, and we got to figure it out.
I'm gonna run the stinger and give him 10 more seconds.
It's tight. It's tight. Oh
Welcome to our new segment.
There were so many. What I really like was, I don't know if you knew some of this, but they were trolling each other. Like, mayo is delicious. That's a Discord joke. There was just so many in there.
There it is.
I like that stinger. That was a fun little play.
We'll see that a lot because I think we're going to end up doing this segment multiple, couple, right in a row. We want to build from.
I mean,
yeah,
up, we're going to do this in little 6 to 8, maybe 10-minute chunks at a time. How much do we really get done?
A domain.
How long do you think it'll take? Like 30 weeks?
Maybe it depends on how.
Depends on chat.
It depends on chat. Like,
help us out.
Okay,
is chat
so
going to be mean?
First thing,
nice?
we have to go. So I wanted to go to GoDaddy and basically. Josh deconstructed. He shut down. He's like, no.
No good. No.
He apparently hates
I don't like GoDaddy.
GoDaddy. So we're going to go to this cute little site instead.
I like Porkbun.
He likes Porkbun.
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell you what I kept saying over and over again. Shh, quiet. Nope. No, hush up now.
All right, but okay. So PrettyDamnQuick. Let's go on an adventure together and see about how much we're going to spend.
Well, first we're going to
remember it's even available.
We're backtracking for people that might not know. We have to see if the name's available.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we need a search, right?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah. We're.
I'd buy that for $1.
We could do .dev. We could do a .dev.
Okay, and then here's why I asked Josh all the questions that people that aren't as smart as Josh don't know, like me. What's the difference? Why do I care? Why wouldn't I just go for the cheapest? What's the difference between all these different ones here?
They're different TLDs. Like I actually don't know.
What's a TLD, Josh?
Top level domain.
Okay.
Top level domain. I think Kelly gave us the Chat GPT answer for what a TLD was yesterday.
What's a TLD, Kelly?
Hang on, let me bring it back
Okay.
because I don't have a photographic memory. Top level domain. Okay, it is, for example, Google.com. It's the TLD. TLDs are used to categorize websites and indicate their purpose or geographic location, like .uk, .eu, that type of stuff.
Yeah. All right. Are we gonna do a .dev? Should we do a .dev?
Yeah, I like that.
Anybody see anything else that's like really sticking out that we should do?
Somebody says .dev requires an SSL.
Well, that'll be a fun adventure to figure out together.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Should we buy it? Okay. We're going to buy it. We're going to be .dev. PrettyDamnQuick.dev. Let's check out. Ooh, I hope this doesn't show a credit card number.
Look away, Drew. Look away.
Let's take it off the screen.
Yeah,
just in case.
Just in case.
Full disclosure, we actually did enter our credit card yesterday just so we could get past this part. So you would need to go in and I created an account. It ties to an email. You have to go in and certify your email and do the code and all that good stuff. So we're going to tell you as we go every little step. So we did do that one part yesterday.
Oh, it didn't save our card.
Oh, that's okay, because we actually registered another one, so we can go back and fix it. We'll go back and fix it. We'll use our other domain for now, and we'll go back and can we change it?
No, we need this.
Oh, we need. Can we be the other one now and then change it later?
All right,
Kelly's flying in with the money.
All right, hold on.
Okay.
Look away for a second. We're gonna just enter the credit card.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. While we buy this thing, why don't we also talk about what we're going to do next?
Steps.
Yeah, what are we going to do after we set up?
Next steps, we're going to go to 365 because we said we were going to be on 365. So whatever you do, don't go to the documentation on 365 because that'll just hurt your head.
Why?
Well, because it's super confusing. You'll just hate yourself. It's just, I really think they make it purposely confusing for no good reason. So we decided we're just going to sign up for the 30-day trial because why not? And then we are searching for, it's still in the shop. It's still in the shop, you guys.
You're in the shop.
They're saying it's in the shop.
They're saying the keyboard is in there.
Yeah.
Which is not anymore.
And
Yeah. All right.
They're saying,
and only Marcel, I can see Marcel like picking out keystrokes.
Okay,
Nice.
so look, just so we can get past this, I'm posting the card number in the chat right now.
There you
So
go.
there you go.
Thank
Oh,
you.
thanks. I can copy and paste that now. That makes it easier.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, can I come back?
Yeah, you can come back.
Okay.
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 So we bought it. All right. We now own PrettyDamnQuick.dev.
Okay.
Okay. So now it's going to go through and it's going to set up. And it's going to run through this. And once we have it, what do we need to do next?
Okay. We're going to go to 365. Oh my gosh, Kelly.
What?
Okay, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, 365. Okay, and then we picked the trial.
We picked the trial.
Yep.
Do we need to show that?
We picked the trial, and then we did set up a new account.
Yep.
Right. So we set up a Microsoft account. So I use my Gmail account.
Yeah. And here's what it. Yeah. Let's show what it does. Right.
Okay.
You set up this one.
Yep.
And we're gonna actually just show the account, right?
Yep.
Oh, get out of here, Microsoft. When you first set it up, if you don't have a business account, it sets you up in .onmicrosoft.com.
Yes, it has to. By the way, that's a requirement.
Okay, so we went through, we set this thing up like this, and then our next steps are going to be to being PrettyDamnQuick.dev into Microsoft 365 so that we can set up mail.
And it's going to have you do the MFA stuff, and you can pick, and I chose Duo. You have to do that all first. So that's the only thing we did off camera just because Drew only gave us 6 minutes. So we've done that part first. So now we're to the domain setup part in Microsoft, okay? So you're going to go to setup first, and then now here's where we're at.
Yep. Here we are, right?
Here we are.
We have all of our stuff. So now we're registered, and we need to set up email with custom domain.
Yep.
Hey.
Oh, we already won it. We already own it.
Okay. What did we end up with?
Pretty damn quick.
.dev.
And it's going to configure perfectly on its own. I'm not going to have any problems.
Yeah.
That's not going to happen.
Oh, hey, look at this.
Did it work?
Open a tab and sign it. We look.
Step-by-step instructions.
Oh.
We're not going to watch a video,
We're going to add a text record.
We're going to do it the hard way. Okay. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, my goodness. All right. So text here's our text value.
Okay.
All right. We got to figure out where DNS is here. I'm not seeing it.
DNS records, to record set.
Where?
Over to the right. Go right.
Oh.
Click right there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm here for you.
So, and it said to set up text record.
Yep.
Right. And it's here. And our value is that. And what does it want? The TTL 3600 or default?
So TTL, time to live.
Time to live. Okay. Add. Oh.
Come on, big money. We can do it.
Look at this.
Is it going to freak out?
You want to click this button?
Are you sure you want to reconfigure this?
Should we click this button?
Yeah, let's do. Okay, everyone, cross your fingers. Take a deep breath. No!
Did it work?
I can't believe it, but.
No way. Let's see.
I know you're clicking so quickly. I can't even read it. Robot, stop it. Slow down for us normies. Jeez.
It did it.
No way.
There's no way.
I can't believe it.
That is the first wizard ever I've clicked and it actually did the thing.
This is crazy.
Wow. All right. Oh, you look at that. Should we update and sign you out?
Fake news.
Yeah. Here's where we're going to blow this up.
Yeah, something has to happen now. People really want to know why you don't like GoDaddy or Cloudflare. They're really interested.
I do like Cloudflare. Cloudflare's great.
Okay.
I don't like GoDaddy because GoDaddy will upsell you on everything the whole way through your purchase process.
Okay.
And it's like, ooh, I got to not click that and click this. And I won't say it's ever been confirmed, but they also do this stupid thing that I think they do. Don't have any proof. That when you search for a domain one time and then you go back, they upsell you.
Upsell it. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. So let's go to. Let's see if we can log you back in, should we?
Let's do it.
Let's see. Tara at PrettyDamnQuick.
Well, we didn't do an alias yet. Was it Tara?
It did that. It did.
Okay, I believe you.
All right. Well,
take a picture because
this is now you.
Or anything. Oh no! What was my password, Josh?
This was like your one part.
Now I'm gonna mess it up.
You had one job.
And
you have one job, Tara.
Okay,
I know,
but I don't remember it. But you know what I did do? I put it in Keeper because I'm good like that.
I cannot believe that just worked.
I can't either.
Like we clicked, hey, just please do the thing for me. And it said, okay.
I love that you're excited about this, though. I messed this part up, though. Nobody's
Kelly post
surprised.
password here. It's Hunter2.
Nobody is
Asterisk.
surprised.
Because it needed a special character.
With a
Right?
capital U.
Yeah.
You know what's really funny about this is I put this in Keeper. I'm like, oh, you're going to remember what you called this. And now I can't remember what I called it. So that's even better. So let's try this again.
I'm so nervous for this.
Are you?
Yeah.
You should be. Yeah!
You did it.
It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Guys, I can't believe that we
Correct.
did this like live.
We actually
Wow.
did no planning. It was amazing. So, okay. So we've done the MX record. We did the
Okay.
X record CNAME.
Okay. So let's go back and let's look at our other DNS stuff. Let's see. 3 records set. What records do we have set? Current records, MX. Oh, these are all already set.
It auto-populated all this.
Look at that.
Okay,
It
tell me-
auto-populated everything.
Here, quickly, before you click out of there,
Yeah.
fast fingers, tell me about a CNAME.
So a CNAME is just an alias of one A record to another.
Okay.
Right?
A forwarding?
So
Of
no, it just means like,
Is it?
hey, you're looking for this,
Mhm.
but what you're actually going to go find is this. And then there's an autodiscover.outlook.com
Mhm.
that eventually ends in an A or a quad A record of numbers,
Okay.
right? IP address.
Okay.
Wow, it even sets up like SIP. Ugh. Well, we weren't going to do that, but I guess we're going to do that now. And and an SPF record. All right, so
Okay.
let's connect email.
So it's gotten better since the last time you did this.
Oh, it's gotten way better. This was easy.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
All right, done.
done.
All right. So we actually, everything we wanted to do today actually worked.
Yeah. All right,
Okay.
so think about what we're going to do next time.
Okay.
Now we have a domain. Now we have email. Now you
Okay.
can email Tara. You can
can.
email Tara here.
Send me some emails.
Yeah, send Tara some emails. Tara at PrettyDamnQuick.dev.
Do it.
I wonder what's going to end up in that
I'll
inbox.
go and find there. All right. So next week, we'll decide what we're going to set up next week. And you guys send us some messages. What do we want to be hybrid? What are our considerations for what we should do?
Yeah.
Do we want to be cloud only?
Let's move to Google Workspace next week
Oh.
instead of Outlook. I don't know.
I don't know.
We'll do
We'll
something
decide.
fun.
We'll decide.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that. DMARC SPF DKIM. We could do an email primer. I love that idea. All right.
Okay.
That's it for a domain of our own.
Mm-hmm.
Let us know what we're going to continue to build. But let's end up with something fun and test
Okay.
how smart we all
Yeah.
are.
Let's
in.
do. Okay.
All right. We're doing a Kahoot.
Yeah, we are.
Right. Someone else is going to have to intro this because I actually don't know how this thing works.
You got me. Hang on.
Kelly's gonna set it up. He's gonna get classic mode ready to go, and then all he has to do is hit the start button. So if you want to power that up right there.
Oh.
So everybody
okay.
else, just open up another browser tab or your phone. Go to Kahoot.it. That music is that our
That
music?
is music.
Nice little
Okay.
music in the background.
So you can also scan that QR code, and we'll wait for a couple of you to get in, and we will have 15 very simple, very easy.
They're not
IT
simple. He's
questions.
don't listen to
they're
He's
him.
lying.
Are they?
They're
I believe
questions.
honestly that somebody that's not me.
It's a
But
different
Drewski is in. So
Okay.
jump in, get into Kahoot, prizes for the winners. For
And the biggest
top
loser.
3 and the biggest loser.
Yeah, the biggest loser.
Okay, that one's easy though. You just, I don't know, maybe you get something right on accident.
Yeah.
Good, jump in, guys. Good, jump in.
Okay.
So we got prizes. I know we have socks. We have some swag. We'll
Yeah,
send
we
out.
got some new socks that we're happy to give away because
Socks
that's
are
why we
always
bought them.
socks
People
are
like
awesome.
the socks.
Yeah.
You know, it's so funny because when we first got the socks, nobody wanted them. And then all of a sudden, everyone's like, I want socks. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Now
we got
we're in
more
out,
socks.
so we got more.
All right. Let's do our Kahoot.
Okay. If you're in, I'm going to give you about 10 more seconds to jump in.
Yep.
Which, if I say that, then I have to do 20 because they're like 10 seconds behind me.
Is it a full 10?
Nah, it depends on who. It depends on when they start, really. But even if I refresh my studio part, I'm
Yeah.
still like 5 seconds.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
day.
Okay.
All right,
Good group. Good group of folks.
here
it is.
we go.
All right.
Now we'll start it up.
Here we go.
Kahoot.
Fastest answer gets more points.
Oh, shoot.
All right. IT Trivia Webcast.
and I'll let Josh and Tara host.
Here.
You can read
All
the
right.
questions
Here we
out, even though they show up.
Let's have
Quiz.
Kelly do it.
What is the primary function of a reverse proxy?
Good question. Pick your favorites when everybody.
Oh, do I have to pick?
You don't have to pick. I don't think.
Okay, I hope not, because
When everybody gets in, it'll punch forward, or after the 20 seconds is up, it'll roll forward, and then we'll see like the spread of who answered what, and get a leaderboard.
Wow. I
do you
like
think
the
it is?
image. That's
Yeah,
that's
I
an
didn't
image of a
update.
reverse proxy.
Ooh, okay, so
All
it looks
right.
like we were split.
Load balancing traffic?
Oh.
Wow, look at that.
How about that?
Next
And the
question.
The answer is load balancing. Yeah. So next question. It'll give us next will give us this.
These
and
are.
tell us.
I should also say these are
I said clean.
opinionated questions.
Okay. One little caveat there.
Yeah.
All right, let's go question
Next
2.
question.
What is the difference between failover and failback? I don't know if failover shifts traffic. Failover is automatic. What do you think, Tara? What's your choice?
I can't see that way. Let me look this way.
Just pick a color. What color looks
Color.
good?
Yeah.
I think blue on this one.
The blue?
She was
correct.
right.
You were right. Yep.
I told you, I think when I took it, I got half. I got 50% on this, but I didn't cheat. Remember, I told you I didn't cheat.
Oh, BS Tanner stays in the lead.
All right.
Followed by Mr.
Next.
Plahaha.
Next question. Which raid level is best for performance?
Josh loves this question. He got
This is his
feisty over
favorite
this.
question.
I did.
He got
And then
real
I
mad at
decided
this
That's why I
one.
left it in.
And I decided we should probably keep this one in.
This is a trick question, guys.
Yeah, it absolutely is. Yeah. Just because I wanted to see if it would upset anybody else. Yeah, RAID 10?
Oh, wow, what a spread.
See, okay, here's the thing. If I have 4 drives in RAID 0, it's going to outperform
Yeah, people
4
did
drives.
it. People picked it.
I knew
People
it.
knew it. People
I hate
agree
that
with you. We left it in because it made Josh mad.
Yeah.
All right, next question. What is the purpose of configuration management tools? Bum, bum, dum.
This is like, I wonder if we could play Jeopardy. No, we can't play Jeopardy music.
No.
That'd be cool though.
Rest in
Could do-
peace, Alex.
Slightly
Yeah.
off Jeopardy music.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll find something.
What was the answer to this one? I wonder.
Well, see, this one was the one I was like, I wanted to do.
Automated deployment.
I wanted
look at
it to
that.
be
All
blue,
right.
and you said this one.
I didn't like this one.
I know you didn't like.
Do we have a
this one.
change in the leader? Okay, Andrew can't win.
Andrew.
I think
Yeah, I feel bad.
Andrew was. I think you were savvy. I think you
All right.
saw some of these.
Next
yesterday.
question. What is a key
got one
characteristic
wrong.
of microservices? Key characteristic of microservices.
They're small.
They're
They're
wee.
micro.
They're
They're
little.
wee. They're little,
They're just
tiny.
little.
They're little babies.
Oh, don't worry, Mike. Low score is going to
Andrew,
win.
be stupider this time. Okay.
I did. I got the wrong one.
Give the leaderboard up. Okay, well done.
Independent services via APIs.
Yeah.
Smaller
Micro
than
is smaller.
mini.
Yes. Yes.
Any change?
There you go, BS10.
There we go.
Ooh, and Kel is
I'm
now
still
in.
doing great at number 4.
Yeah, look at you.
Yes.
What is the main advantage of containerization?
I only knew this because of Michael.
Oh, when he was on the show.
Yeah, I actually listen occasionally.
I don't remember that at all.
Was he talking Kubernetes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember, like, most
App Store
webcasts, I
thing.
remember for the duration of the webcast, and then it's like,
It's
No,
offload.
I always know that I'm listening when I can retain it because he talked about only hosting the application storage and nothing
Ooh,
else.
simplified
Remember that?
application.
I listened.
look at that.
I know.
Ooh, 8
crazy.
people got that right.
That'll shake things up.
All right,
Yeah.
let's see what we're doing here.
Oh, Drewski's on fire.
Drewski, way to go.
Let's go. BS Tanner
Totally
is
you.
still crushing it.
What describes infrastructure as code? I see.
I know it is.
Those pictures are great. She's really
She is.
intense there.
She is. She's
That's Terraform in action right there.
totally. Totally.
Oh man. This question also like just gave me an aneurysm.
It's tricky. This one's
But
tricky.
most
It's-
got it. Look
yeah.
at that. Well
keep, it,
done.
keep it simple, man.
Yeah.
Managing infrastructure with code. Okay.
BS Tanner for the win,
Oh,
man.
themes.
Ooh, Marcel is making a run too.
All right, Marcel.
Oh, I
Come
thought
on.
Marcel
Come
was
on, Marcel.
Drewski.
Oh man, we still got a minute left too.
What is the difference between symmetric and asymmetric encryption?
This one made you mad too.
It did
One's
until
the
I
same,
looked at
and
it.
one's not the same.
It's same but different.
It's just
Same.
This is my IT knowledge. I'm pretty sure that when we were looking for these questions, we were like, give us questions that were like that have 10 to 15 years experience.
This
like,
is the really easy one that Drew talked about. These are really easy
this is the
questions.
easy one.
Single key.
Two people got that. That's
Yeah,
got that.
it's because it's a double negative.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Like you have to answer that with a double negative. It's dumb.
That is dumb.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh,
Changing leaderboard.
BS Tanner's dethroned.
All right.
Mm.
Next up, which protocol aggregates log data? And don't say captain's log. Come on.
Captain's log. So, did you pick the images here, or are these just?
He was
Cahoots
supposed
flavor?
to.
I was supposed to update him with something else.
This was just Cahoots, but I told Drew, I'm like, the images are stupid. Can you do it?
I didn't do anything.
This was actually AI too. The Cahoots has an AI thing now that can put the pictures,
course
and
it does.
it messed it up.
Syslog.
Oh, well done.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Well, like if you don't have AI in your app now, what are you doing?
What are
with
you
it?
doing? I don't know.
What are you doing? If there's no
BS.
AI?
Ooh, Marcel.
Oh, Marcel coming in.
Sneaking
coming
up
in.
there.
Okay, next question.
Okay.
What is the purpose of a SIM system?
What is that bathroom? Is that bathrooms?
Yeah, I'm curious. What? There's a lot to unpack here.
You know what? That's exactly how I feel about a SIM system, so that's accurate for me.
The bathroom, huh? Look at the potties.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Interesting choice of photo AI. I like that.
Yep.
Monitor security events.
We're getting there.
All
Yeah,
right.
we're getting
21.
there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
And leaderboard change.
Oh.
And that, yeah.
Redbeard.
Redbeard. That's a new one. That's a new one on the leaderboard,
Welcome
right?
in. Yep.
Yeah.
Which Windows Server role stops Karen from using 1234 as a password for the 6th time?
Oh, Drew added this one.
Way to go, Karen.
Yeah, because I guess you have to like really think through that one.
Okay.
Active Directory domain
Mine are a
sources.
little easier.
Okay,
There you go.
Yeah,
but no, IIS
they're
can
easier.
do that as well, depending
Yeah.
on what you're serving.
Yeah.
So if you answered blue, you
That was
get points
tricky.
in my book if you answered IIS.
Drew
no
added that one
prizes.
in yesterday.
Okay.
You might get a price for that.
Sure.
But it could all just be points.
Yeah.
Which protocol handles logical addressing and actually makes layer 3 useful?
Oh, Drew.
I had help.
Hey, I got a good picture, or did you do that one, Drew? The clean one.
The internet feels moody. I like this one.
Drew, you did good.
Thank you. Thank you.
What do you mean makes it useful though?
I-
I mean, yeah.
the one doing all the work.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Fame's got it.
Okay.
Okay.
How many more questions do we have?
I don't know.
This is
13
two more.
to 15.
Oh,
13,
13, 14, 15. Three
What's
more.
the primary function of BGP?
Ooh. I wonder.
So Austin talked about this, 3 webcasts ago? This was a
I
question.
don't remember
Check
that.
your
I
notes,
don't know.
people.
I have a weird memory. Greg asked about it, actually, and you weren't here. Austin
right, you
talked
were out.
about it.
Exchange routing information.
Yep,
Well
yep,
done.
yep.
Scoreboard. It's getting tight, people.
It's
Coming
gonna
for
come
you.
down to it.
Coming for you.
What is a common
major
use
function is
case?
spring
Frankium,
global
yes.
routing.
Yes.
Queues.
Yes.
What is a common use case for message queues?
National Influenza Vaccination Week.
What?
I didn't even look at the pictures.
Wow. Is it actually this week? No, it can't be this week.
No, I have no idea where that came from.
Do you remember when Facebook broke the internet for like a few hours with bad BGP routes? I remember.
was probably there
Asynchronous
at the time.
communication.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, I picked blue on that, too. I'm not the only one that thought it was
Beams? Oh, okay. We
Okay.
got
Beams is the winner.
Now this
do
this is
one more.
the final question.
Oh, this is the
Coming
final
up.
question.
Here we
Okay.
go.
Okay.
Last one.
What does nick teaming actually do besides sounding like a superhero squad?
Hands out IPs like candy. Oh, Drew, you're so cute.
Thank you. Thank you. I love candy. Nick Caging. That's my Nick teaming.
You know,
Nick
you know that he
Caging.
wrote these ones.
Encrypt your data in Comic Sans.
Oh, see, it's so easy.
There you go.
About
right.
speed, though. It's about speed. Here's the final leaders.
Okay. I like
Let's
it.
see it. In third place.
Nice job. Came up from the bottom there.
And number 2.
3 Rivers.
And the winner.
It's got to be themes, right?
It's gotta be. It's gotta be, right?
Isn't it?
Yeah. Well done. Well done.
Ooh.
Alrighty.
How do we find out who the losers were?
We'll be able to get in, I think, on the back end and look at full
Okay.
responses.
So the three of you are three winners. To send me your info, where you would like some prizes sent. Webcast@pdq.com, webcast@pdq.com. And I guess for the losers, we'll try and track you down.
Yeah, hit view summary there.
Where
I,
is
I,
it?
I,
Yeah,
hit
maybe we
that
can
view
do it.
summary. I bet
You
we
can
can do
find
it.
Oh, it just goes.
Forward
yeah.
port is at the top.
Everyone's like, display all the losers. We want to see who lost.
Oh, well, yeah, we don't care.
All right, never mind.
Yeah, we don't
No.
care.
We'll do that
All
later.
right, we'll dig it up. And if we
All right,
have
we'll
questions
figure it
about names, maybe put it in the chat or something. I don't know.
We'll find you.
Alrighty. Thanks for playing Kahoot with us, y'all. And thanks for going on our journey as we build a domain of our own for PDQ. I'm Josh.
I'm Tara.
Thanks for joining our webcast today. I'm going to ask a couple favors. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That makes us smile. Leave us your comments. That makes us giggle. And have a fantastic week. And join us on Discord. We'll see you back here next time. Bye-bye.